What is up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and in today's video y'all are literally going to be unboxing my lash kit that I ordered off of Amazon. And I'll put the link and everything below, but this is literally to see if this is a hit or miss, a raw uncut. This is not paid partnership or nothing like that. This is from my own money. I want to start my lash journey, and I wanted to take y'all along with me, regardless if it flop or if it don't flop. Like, it's just learning together. So if you are an esthetician, beginner, expert, hey y'all, I am a licensed esthetician, but as y'all know, in esthetician school they do not teach us the major stuff that we need to do with lashing. You have to take another class, another course and stuff. So before we pay all the extra money and stuff like that to go on a one-on-one class course, let's see what we can do with YouTube, buying a kit. And I paid for an e-course. I did. I paid for an e-course, but that's not the one-on-one in-person training course. So we're just gonna take our skills from what we know about doing lashes now and what we learned, and we're gonna open this box. Y'all so excited. The lady that I actually got the e-course from, she had attached this as one of a good kit to start off with, just to practice. That's a disclaimer. This is just to practice. This is not to do nobody actual lashes with or nothing. This is practice, like, this is practice glue, practice mannequin, practice all that. Don't be going around telling nobody that Indy told you to go get this and go do somebody's lashes. Don't do that. This is the mannequin head. Oh my god, y'all. And it comes with the one. I'm so excited about this, because it comes with the one that you can change the eyelids out, and it already got the lashes on there, so that you do not have to put the lashes on yourself. Because child, who doing that? Who? Not me. Look at that. It comes with the lash head with those already installed, and I think it comes with different sets of eyes too. So yeah. All right, and this is with the little bag. It looks like a makeup bag, but it says hi little kitty. They package it really well. As you can see, I couldn't break through it. Okay, so it got this little cute little thing on there. This is like really like one of them ones, like if you going out of town and you need a makeup bag, boom. Yay, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the other eyelids, and it gives you, I think, no, they're not different types. The other one that I seen, it has the different 3 layers or whatever. So you get your eyelids, your microfiber brushes, and it's plenty of these, okay? Plenty. Your lash cleaner, your lash brush, period. What is these called? The little brushes, the applicators, what they used to call them in esthetician school, lipstick applicators. Your spoolies, your tape. Honestly, y'all, I don't know what this is. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know what this is. So when I figure out what this is, I'm gonna tell y'all. Your lash shampoo, curves, tweezers, and the regular ones. Y'all, I'm so excited. Some more lashes just in case those fall off. You get 2 sets of them. Honestly, I don't know what this is either, I'm not gonna lie to you. Your scissors to cut your tape. This I know for sure is to smooth out your tape and your gel pads when you need them. It's a whole bunch of the gel pads to go on the under eye. Another cleaning brush. A whole pack of glue rings. Look, I'm running out of space. I can't keep showing y'all everything. That's how y'all know this is a good kit, because it's everything that y'all need. Another thing to take. Your water diluter. Yeah, the water bottle. The eyelash glue, and then also the glue remover, so we can practice a couple sets, okay? Your fan to fan them, you know, make sure that they good, make sure that they good to go. Your lashes. So this one, they're all D lashes. So these are all D. Let's see if I can help y'all. These are all D lashes. 8mm to 15. they're all 8 to 15, but they're just all different sets of D curls. Your lash map stickers. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know what this is either. I've never seen this before actually. Your little dentist spoolie to make sure that you're getting them lashes together, okay? Y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited. You should be excited because we all finna do this. Like, I'm happy for us. I'm happy for us a lot. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and try my first set with y'all, and we're gonna go from there. So don't be coming at me crazy. Listen, this is my first time, so if something don't look right, hey, we trying out here. It's trial and error. I'm taking y'all with me. This is a journey. Trust my journey. So then y'all could be like, remember when you used to, you feel me? Alright y'all, so my review, I feel like that the lashes are cool, like to start off with and stuff like that. And then the glue, it's okay to start off with. Like, I definitely say that this one takes longer, but it also could be how like hot or cold it is in my house. But I'm gonna play around with this one some more. So if y'all want a part 2, or if y'all want an update on this, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every time that I post. And me and my little winky wink is out. Bye.